Where to find duplicate files on your Samsung phone with Android 16 One UI 8.0. To find two of the same file on your Samsung phone, or maybe three of them, you'll want to go into the My Files folder. So look for the app known as My Files, which is usually found within the Samsung folder here, right there. And you'll see My Files. So you're looking for that folder. Once you go into it, you will go past all of this here and you're looking for Manage Storage right there. Now that you're here, you're looking for the option that says Duplicate Files. Now for some Samsung phones, it may appear like this or perhaps a little bit to the bottom area. But once you see it, you'll tap on it and it's going to take you to a layout view like this here. And to know if you have two of the same file, and in some cases three of the same file, it will show you every item you have. And again, this is going to be for videos, photos, songs, or any kind of document files. Now, going through the list here, and as an example, you'll see this one is located in my quick share, and this one is also located in the watch vids folder as well, or albums. So if maybe, let's just say I wanted to remove one of them, I don't need two of the same on my phone, you will select that and you can go ahead and delete it. It's going to tell you how much you have in terms of storage used. And then same thing here, I have two of the same one here, and I'll select the one that I don't need since I already have it in the quick share folder, and I'll just go ahead and delete it. And you can do this for yourself, find all the duplicate files. In some cases, it might be three of the same, and you don't know about it, and just look for it. You can also search through the OneDrive and all that stuff here. But once you make your selection, press delete. And of course, by deleting that, of course, you can't undo this here. And of course, it'll now be cleared out. No more duplicate files if you have removed every duplicate file on your Samsung phone. Like and sub.